Thousands of Irish workers leave tax credits unclaimed every single year, not because they don't qualify, but because revenue will not remind you to claim them. Some workers are owed hundreds of euros right now. You go to work. You pay your tax through PAYE. You think everything is sorted. But here is the truth. Most credits are automatically applied, but some, like the rent credit and medical expenses, must be claimed manually via Revenue My account. If you have never logged in and checked, you are almost certainly leaving money on the table. For a person renting, with occasional medical expenses, working from home 2 days a week, and paying into a pension, the combined unclaimed reliefs could easily exceed €2,000 per year. Across 4 years, that is €8,000 that revenue holds but has no mechanism to return to you unless you ask for it. Under the 4-year rule, Section 865 of the Taxes Consolidation Act 1997, you can claim a refund for the current year and the previous 4. After that, the right to a refund is lost, so it is worth reviewing each year. In 2026, you pay income tax at 20% on earnings up to your standard rate cutoff point, and 40% on everything above it, with a cutoff of €44,000 for a single person. There are no changes to tax credits for 2026, which means every credit from last year still applies in full today. Here are the credits most workers never claim. The rent tax credit equals 20% of the annual rent you paid, capped at €1,000 per person per year, or €2,000 for a jointly assessed couple. If you pay more than €417 per month in rent, you get the full €1,000 credit. On medical expenses, at the 20% rate, every €1,000 of qualifying medical expenses gives you €200 back from revenue. That includes GP visits, prescriptions, and physio. Workers using the remote working relief receive between €50 and €384 annually, depending on utility costs and days spent working from home. And if you are caring for a family member at home, the home carer credit is worth €1,950 for 2026. 3 things you can do today. First, sign into Revenue's My account, choose Review Your Tax for the year, and request a statement of liability. Do this for each of the last 4 years. Second, add any credits or expenses you missed, medical costs, rent, remote working relief, and revenue refunds any overpayment straight to your bank account. It is free and usually takes a few days to a couple of weeks. Third, check the rent tax credit specifically. The 4-year back claim window means the 2022 claim must be submitted by December 31, 2026. Go to revenue.ie to start all 3 steps right now. We have written the full breakdown of every unclaimed Irish tax credit for 2026, with the exact steps and eligibility rules. Find the link in the description. Use the free salary calculator at EuroDuty.eu to see exactly what you are owed.